Okay, today's date is October 2nd. Let me see if I can switch this view. Cannot. Okay. Well, anyway, I'm making this video because I wanted to show you the shower in the truck stop. So if you look around here, right, you can see that's the toilet, that's the towels they give you. I don't use that towel. I have my own towel because I don't use these towels. But this is what the shower looks like. All right. This is my soap dish. Soap here, the mirror, and then you come over here into the opening of the shower, and then it has a shower. See? And then they have different soap for your body right here. So this is my stuff. I just finished washing. Take that with me. That with me. And then there you go. Now I'm gonna walk outside and show you the rest. I'm gonna walk outside and show you the rest of the truck stop. So let me grab my towel. All right, here we go. It's a locked shower, right? It's locked. Then as you come out into the truck stop. And these are all showers right here. That's the laundry room. So as you can see, I'm in the truck stop. I'm in the lounge area. There's a TV. There's a TV lounge right there. Alright. And then they have like Denny's menu stuff. And then, you know, I'm in Texas, so you have very interesting people here in Texas with shiny clothes and stuff. So as you can see, the rest of the truck stop is over there. That's where all the trucks is at, and that's where I'm going. So come follow me because I'm going to my truck.